Islamic finance in America. Have you ever wondered how Muslims in America can buy a home, finance a car, or manage their money while avoiding interest? This is where Islamic finance comes in. In this video, we will explain what Islamic finance means, how it works in America, and some of the common halal financial options available today. Islamic finance is a financial system based on principles derived from Islamic law known as Sharia. One of its most important principles is avoiding interest or riba. But Islamic finance is not simply about avoiding interest. It also emphasizes ethical investing, transparency, shared risk, and transactions connected to real economic activity. Traditional financing often involves lending money and charging interest on that loan. Islamic finance uses different structures. Instead of conventional interest based mortgage, an Islamic home financing arrangement may involve the financial institution purchasing or acquiring an interest in the property and then selling, leasing, or co owning it with the customer under the agreed structure. The goal is to create a transaction that complies with Islamic principles while still providing practical financing. Islamic home financing is one of the most popular areas of Islamic finance in America. Common structures can include murabaha, ijara, and diminishing musharaka. In a murabaha structure, the financier purchases an asset and sells it to the customer at a disclosed profit. In ijara, the arrangement is based around leasing, and in diminishing musharaka, the customer and financier share ownership while the customer's ownership gradually increases over time. The exact structure, fee, and legal treatment can vary between providers, so consumers should always understand the contract before signing. Similarly, halal car financing is also on the surge. Islamic finance can also be used for vehicles. Instead of conventional interest bearing auto loan, a halal financing arrangement may use a sale or lease structure where the financing provider earns a disclosed profit or rental income rather than changing interest on a cash loan. Again, the details matter. A product being marketed as halal does not automatically mean every feature has been independently verified. Islamic finance also extends to investing and banking. Sharia compliant investing generally avoids businesses and activities considered prohibited under Islamic principles. Some Muslims in America therefore look for Sharia compliant investment funds, financial products, and banking alternatives that align with their values. Islamic finance is growing rapidly in America. Islamic financial institutions are becoming more and more visible now. Among other reasons, one important reason is the growing Muslim population and demand for financial products in America that align with religious values. But interest is not limited to Muslims. Some people are also attracted to Islamic finance because of its focus on ethical investing, asset backed transactions, transparency, and responsible financial practices. If you are looking for an Islamic finance in America, then you need to check a few points before completely venturing into the product or institution. Do not rely only on the word halal. Look at the actual contract. Understand how the provider makes money, what fee you will pay, what happens if you miss a payment, and whether the product has been reviewed and qualified by Sharia scholars. Also remember, Islamic financial products can have different legal, tax, and financial implications depending on the structure and your individual situation. From home, vehicle, and personal financing to investing and banking alternatives, the industry is creating more options for people who want their financial decisions to reflect Islamic principles. The key is to understand how the product actually works, not just what it is called. There are many Islamic financial institutions available in America today. Guidance Residential, UIF, Ijara CDC, Devon Bank, Lariba, just to name a few. Hopefully, this piece of information will help you understand Islamic finance in America and wish you going for it. If you found this video helpful, then kindly like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with others. Inshallah, we meet in the next video. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.